of Pacific Northwest, where the mountains meet the sea, lies a city that dances between the rhythms of nature and the pulse of urban life. A symphony of green unfolds as coastal rainforests paint the landscape, offering a sanctuary within the city. Within the canvas, human ingenuity has etched its own narrative. The city skyline, a testament to progress, rises in harmony with the mountains. Streets pulse with life, each step echoing the rhythm of a city that has embraced both the elegance of nature and the vibrancy of human endeavor. Along the city's edges, sea walls weave a story of connection. Waterfronts become stages where the dance of nature and city life unfolds. Discover Metro Vancouver, where every scene is a frame in a cinematic narrative, where nature and urbanity coalesce in a mesmerizing ballet.